Welcome to the Sleep Engineering channel. I'm so glad you found your way here. Let me help you fall asleep. If you genuinely like our videos, please hit like and subscribe. Now take a slow, deep breath in and release it. Find your comfort as we drift through the human achievements and massive engineering of the Trans-Arabian pipeline and the 1,100-kilometre oil line crossing the Saudi Arabian desert. Let us begin. Conceived in the late 1940s, the Trans-Arabian pipeline stretches across vast stretches of land, specifically designed for the vital purpose of transporting oil. This pipeline serves as a crucial link, moving oil directly from the bountiful Saudi Arabian oil fields to the expansive Mediterranean Sea. The route chosen for this pipeline navigates the dry, sun-baked sands of the Saudi Arabian desert, showcasing the sheer distance and dedication involved in such an ambitious endeavor. Extending for an impressive length of 1,100 kilometers, it represents a remarkable feat of engineering while underscoring the significance of oil as a critical resource. Each segment of the pipeline reflects the meticulous planning and foresight that emerged in the mid-20th century. Its smooth flow of oil signifies an important interaction between land and industry, illustrating the essential interplay between the heart of the desert and the vibrant waters of the Mediterranean Sea. In the vast and arid expanse of the Saudi Arabian desert, a vital pathway lies beneath the surface, crafted from the vision of Ralph K. Davies. His foresight illuminated the need to bypass the Suez Canal, offering a more direct route for the flow of precious oil. This essential proposal aimed to facilitate the delivery of oil directly to Europe, ensuring efficiency in an age of rising demand. The 1,100 kilometers of this remarkable oil line stretch across endless dunes and resilient landscapes, showcasing ingenuity in navigating challenging terrains. With each drop of oil transporting through this vast conduit, the distance between resource-rich regions and their consumers diminishes. Ralph K. Davies played a pivotal role in this endeavor, shaping the future of energy distribution. The pipeline stands as a significant achievement, linking resources and regions in a way that showcases the vision and determination of its creators. In a sweeping stretch through the Saudi Arabian desert, a remarkable oil line extends for 1,100 kilometers, embodying both ambition and precision. The original design of this pipeline included a diameter of 30 inches, a choice made to maximize flow efficiency over the vast distance it covers. As it traverses the golden sands, the careful engineering aims to facilitate the smooth transport of oil, reflecting the thoughtful planning that shaped its creation. Every inch of this 30-inch diameter serves a purpose, guiding the oil seamlessly through the heat and expanse of the desert landscape. This meticulous design enhances the need for efficiency, ensuring the precious resource moves onward through arid terrains that glisten under the bright sun. The pipeline stands as a carefully structured path across the earth, crafted specifically to support the movement of energy through a challenging yet beautiful environment. The initial route for the pipeline was designed to traverse multiple countries, starting in the vast deserts of Saudi Arabia. This stretch of land is known for its warm sands and ancient cultural heritage. Following this, the path was intended to flow into Jordan, where the rugged terrains offer a multitude of scenic vistas and rich historical landmarks that tell stories of generations. As the pipeline continued, it would eventually cross into Syria, a country renowned for its diverse landscapes and rich history, providing ample opportunity for this infrastructure to intertwine with the local environment. Lastly, the proposed route would reach Lebanon, a land of lush mountains and vibrant cities, culminating in Sidon, which rests gracefully on the picturesque Mediterranean coast. This final destination would bring the project to a serene endpoint, where the gentle waves lap at the shores, connecting land and sea in a tranquil embrace. An engineering company with extensive experience in large infrastructure projects took on the important task of designing a major oil pipeline. Bechtel Corporation was selected for its well-known expertise, ensuring that every aspect of the pipeline's design was approached with meticulous attention. This design would be crucial, as it would serve an 1,100-kilometer oil line crossing the vast Saudi Arabian desert. Such a sizable undertaking required not only technical knowledge, but also a deep understanding of the challenges presented by the desert environment. The pipeline was intended to facilitate the efficient transport of oil, emphasizing the importance of its design to operate successfully in harsh conditions. The presence of Bechtel Corporation reflected the significance of the project, which required skilled professionals dedicated to executing infrastructure that could withstand the rigors of the natural landscape. The careful planning and design by seasoned engineers allowed for the successful realization of this ambitious endeavor. A stretch of the Trans-Arabian pipeline extends for 1,100 kilometers, meandering gracefully across the vast expanse of the Saudi Arabian desert. This extensive oil line features a carefully planned layout, incorporating a series of pump stations situated roughly every 125 miles. Each pump station plays a crucial role, diligently working to maintain the critical oil pressure necessary for efficient transportation. As the oil travels through this remarkable structure, the gentle hum of machinery at each station reverberates through the stillness of the desert landscape. The warm sun casts golden rays across the pipeline, illuminating its sturdy design, and a tranquil atmosphere pervades the area around each station. With precision and purpose, this engineered marvel serves as a vital artery, seamlessly transporting oil across the arid terrain. Such meticulous design ensures that the flow remains steady and reliable throughout its extensive path. Surveys conducted in the years 1945 and 1946 meticulously laid the groundwork for the Trans-Arabian pipeline's exact routing. These surveys approached the task with careful consideration of both geographical and political factors that influenced the path of the oil line. Each survey examined the undulating terrain of the Saudi Arabian desert, revealing the vastness and depth of its features. The planning process involved rigorous analysis, ensuring that the chosen route would be effective and strategic. Political landscapes were equally important, as they shaped the direction and accessibility of the pipeline. This deliberate approach allowed for a thorough understanding of how both elements interacted within the context of the desert's expanse. The attention to these details during the surveys paved the way for a significant structure that plays a crucial role in the energy landscape. Such assessments underline the importance of informed decision-making. An engineering plan emerged, specifying the use of seamless steel pipe, a novel technology of its time, to confer strength and resilience to the structure. The smooth, uninterrupted surface of the seamless steel pipe minimized the risk of corrosion, ensuring long-lasting performance in various weather conditions. This choice enhanced the project's durability, allowing for the secure transport of resources across vast landscapes with reduced maintenance needs. The innovative characteristics of seamless steel pipe provided significant safety benefits, reducing the likelihood of leaks and failures. By embracing this advanced technology, engineers demonstrated a forward-thinking mindset, prioritizing both functionality and reliability in their designs. This decision addressed immediate engineering challenges while paving the way for future advancements in construction practices. The integration of seamless steel pipe set a new standard for strength and instilled greater confidence in the safety of the structures it supported. Its enduring advantages have had a lasting influence on engineering projects throughout the years. An innovative cathodic protection system plays a crucial role in safeguarding the longevity of the pipeline by preventing corrosion in the desert environment, where relentless sun and dry air prevail. This advanced design actively protects the pipeline from corrosion, ensuring that its metal components remain sound and functional as they traverse the vast arid terrain. High temperatures frequently push the limits of traditional materials, yet this specialized technology works around the clock to maintain the integrity of the pipeline. As the oil line navigates the rough landscape of the Saudi Arabian desert, the cathodic protection system continuously mitigates the potential damage caused by the unforgiving climate. The incorporation of this effective protection not only enhances the pipeline's durability, but also ensures its operational efficiency despite the relentless challenges it faces daily. With careful engineering, every element of this protective system is a vital part of maintaining functionality and resilience over time. Envisioned to have a remarkable capacity, the Trans-Arabian pipeline was designed to transport 500,000 barrels of oil each day upon its completion. This impressive volume illustrates the ambition behind the project, as it traverses the vast expanse of the Saudi Arabian desert. The pipeline stretches with determination, ready to facilitate the steady flow of valuable resources across the arid landscape. Each of those 500,000 barrels represents not just oil, but the energy that drives economies and fuels industries. The sun casts a warm glow over the desert, creating an atmosphere where the significance of this extensive undertaking becomes clear. The smooth, long stretches of the pipeline reflect the careful planning put into this endeavor. In its reach across the terrain, it symbolizes the technological advancements that allow for efficient transportation of resources. This swift delivery system is a crucial component in the landscape of industry and commerce. Oil flows through a unique structure known as the Trans-Arabian pipeline, which spans a remarkable distance of 1,100 kilometers, crossing the vast expanse of the Saudi Arabian desert. This pipeline represents an impressive achievement in engineering, designed meticulously to transport oil efficiently through harsh, arid conditions. Along its path, the pipeline encounters sun-drenched sand dunes that sparkle like gold in the midday sun, reflecting the warm light and creating a stunning visual contrast against the serene, open desert landscape. The endless stretches of desolation surrounding the pipeline further highlight its significance, as it emerges as a crucial lifeline in this barren environment. By facilitating the movement of this precious resource, the pipeline forms a vital artery for the region's energy infrastructure. Each segment of the pipeline underscores the ingenuity required to navigate such challenging terrain, ensuring that a steady flow of oil continues to support local economies effectively. In the warm embrace of the vast Saudi Arabian desert, a significant project emerged, primarily funded by a consortium of American oil companies known as AIMCO, which stands for Arabian American Oil Company. This consortium brought together the expertise and resources essential for such an ambitious endeavor, combining their strengths in the pursuit of energy extraction. The sun-drenched sands, stretching endlessly, served as the backdrop for the development of the 1,100-kilometre oil line, which would transport oil across the harsh terrain. Each segment of the pipeline witnessed the diligence and dedication of those who believed in the importance of this project, the workers laboring tirelessly under the bright sun. As the oil flowed through this extensive line, it highlighted not only the rich resources of the desert, but also the collaborative spirit of AIMCO. The smooth operation of this pipeline allowed for the movement of vital resources, emphasizing the powerful impact of this significant project. The serene process of negotiations unfolds, as each detail is carefully considered to secure approval from the governments of Saudi Arabia, Jordan, Syria, and Lebanon. In this tranquil setting, representatives from these nations engage in thoughtful discussions, emphasizing the importance of cooperation and understanding among them. The warm desert air carries a sense of purpose as they navigate the complexities of political agreements. Each conversation holds the weight of responsibility, reflecting the immense significance of this project. The sound of voices carries softly, echoing through the vast landscape, as leaders articulate their perspectives while seeking alignment in their contributions. As the sun sets over the golden sands, the atmosphere grows contemplative, highlighting the resolve to create a pathway that connects not just territories, but also aspirations and mutual goals. This careful orchestration of diplomatic efforts creates a foundation where mutual interests can flourish and evolve. In the vast expanse of the Saudi Arabian landscape, a significant agreement took shape, illustrating the deep relationship between nations and resources. A promise emerged, ensuring transit fees for the Saudi Arabian government in exchange for allowing the pipeline to cross its territory. These fees became a cornerstone of collaboration, representing a tangible benefit and reflecting the value placed on the sovereignty of this land. As the 1,100-kilometre oil line traversed the sun-baked desert, it carried crude oil alongside the essence of negotiations and mutual agreements. Each inch of this pipeline served as a conduit for economic exchange, linking distant places through the promise made to the Saudi Arabian government. Amidst the shifting sands and the grandeur of the desert, this agreement created a framework for future endeavors, guiding economic pathways forward. The completion of this transaction marked a moment of great significance in the landscape, embodying the weight of cross-border cooperation. Stretching across a vast expanse of the Saudi Arabian desert, the Trans-Arabian pipeline reaches a distance of 1,100 kilometers. This monumental oil line traverses the arid landscape while serving a critical purpose in securing energy needs, especially for Europe. The US government played a decisive role in supporting the project because it recognized the significance of ensuring a steady supply of oil. The construction of the pipeline represents a strategic effort to counter Soviet influence during that era. In a world reliant on energy resources, the importance of this pipeline extends beyond mere geography and intertwines with international relations. The smooth flow of oil through this extensive line acts as an essential artery, promoting prosperity in various regions. Each section of the pipeline underscores the cooperation aimed at strengthening stability in the energy landscape. The pipeline serves as a vital route, allowing for a purposeful exchange that supports growth and stability. With Lebanon granting pipeline construction rights, a sense of opportunity blossomed in the air, intertwining economic assistance with essential infrastructure development. Each side agreement became a vital step toward rejuvenation, awakening dormant potential in regions eager for growth and improvement. The landscape began to reflect the benefits of these arrangements, as builders diligently laid the groundwork that would eventually support the essential flow of resources. New roads emerged, bridges spanned across valleys, and facilities took shape, cultivating progress throughout the area. Each action within this framework illuminated the path to better living conditions, enriching the daily experiences of those who called Lebanon home. The initiative linked directly to the Trans-Arabian pipeline, serving as a conduit for both oil and renewed hope. This dedicated effort aimed to unite the aspirations of many within a vision, led by the promise of transformation and advancement. Political tensions in the region surround the Trans-Arabian pipeline, emphasizing the importance of careful negotiation strategies. The need for meticulous planning arises from the desire to prevent local conflicts from derailing this significant oil line. Each negotiation must consider the complex dynamics at play while striving to maintain peace within the area. The management of these discussions becomes crucial as representatives work diligently to outline terms that all parties can support. The oil line itself stretches over 1,100 kilometers, piercing through the vast expanse of the Saudi Arabian desert, a landscape as beautiful as it is harsh. This ambitious infrastructure must not only transport vital resources, but also navigate the delicate political environment effectively. Every step taken in the negotiations carries the weight of maintaining stability, highlighting how pivotal communication is in such a fragile setting. Careful deliberation remains at the forefront of this essential development. In 1947, a significant moment unfolded in the heart of Saudi Arabia when the respected King Abdulaziz granted his formal approval for the Trans-Arabian pipeline. This decision stemmed from his clear understanding of the economic benefits that the pipeline would bring to the kingdom. With each inch of the pipeline stretching across the vast expanse of the Saudi Arabian desert, it symbolized a pivotal shift towards economic growth for the nation. King Abdulaziz recognized that the pipeline would facilitate the transportation of oil, a precious resource, which flows through the 1,100-kilometer oil line, nourishing the economy and paving pathways for future development. The approval signaled a commitment to harnessing the natural wealth of the land, creating opportunities and prosperity for generations to come. This historic moment marked the beginning of a transformative chapter in the kingdom's economic landscape. A significant financial backing was provided by the Export-Import Bank of the United States for the construction of the pipeline. This support played a crucial role in enabling the large-scale construction that was needed to connect distant locations. The pipeline, designed to traverse the vast expanse of the Saudi Arabian desert, represents an ambitious undertaking made possible by this financial assistance. The infusion of funding from the Export-Import Bank opened opportunities for robust engineering and resource mobilization, creating a path through the arid landscape. The expansive route facilitated the movement of oil across regions, highlighting the logistics involved in such a monumental project. Each section of the pipeline contributes to the larger picture of energy distribution and connectivity in the desert. The collaboration symbolizes a notable merging of resources and aspirations, showcasing the power of finance in transforming landscapes and industries. Approval for the pipeline through Jordan represents a meaningful commitment to economic growth and development. Employment opportunities will be created for many individuals, enhancing prospects for families and local residents. This initiative aims to invest in local infrastructure, which is essential for promoting sustainable progress in surrounding areas. Improvements to roads can lead to smoother transportation, allowing goods and services to move more efficiently. Upgrades to utilities ensure that essential services meet the needs of the population, increasing reliability and accessibility. Public facilities may benefit from renovations, which enhance access to education, healthcare, and recreation, uplifting the. Amidst the vast expanse of the desert, the completion of the pipeline marked a significant moment, as Syrian approval was granted in 1949, overcoming the final political hurdle. This monumental approval followed extensive negotiations that emphasized regional economic collaboration, imbuing the project with a profound sense of purpose and direction. The quiet determination evident in discussions highlighted the importance of shared goals, as the pipeline aimed to connect diverse areas. The approval sparkled like sunlight glistening on the warm sand, signaling a future rich with possibilities. As gentle desert winds caressed the arid landscape, this pivotal decision contributed to laying the groundwork for stronger economic ties. Each grain of sand bore witness to the moment of agreement, feeling the weight of potential prosperity resting upon them. Such a milestone serves as a reminder of the strength found in cooperative efforts, paving the way for progress and abundance to unfold. Flowing through the vast expanse of the Saudi Arabian desert, the Trans-Arabian pipeline spans an impressive 1,100 kilometers. This remarkable oil line transports precious resources across a landscape characterized by sweeping dunes and endless horizons. As it cuts through this arid terrain, it serves as a vital artery, channeling energy that fuels economies and powers industries far beyond the desert's borders. The pipeline's construction reflects a significant engineering achievement, designed to withstand the challenging conditions of heat and sandstorms prevalent in the region. Its path winds through an environment where the sun casts long shadows against the golden sands, creating a striking contrast between the human-made structure and the natural world. Over this extensive distance, the pipeline demonstrates the deep relationship between resource extraction and the harsh climate it traverses. Each segment of this 1,100-kilometer line is a reminder of the vastness of the desert surrounding it. The Trans-Arabian pipeline showcases the remarkable human effort and innovation behind its creation. Stretching across the vast expanse of the Saudi Arabian desert, the pipeline was constructed using more than 1 million tons of steel piping. This substantial amount of steel was primarily sourced from the steel mills of the United States, reflecting the strength and resilience of American manufacturing. As the sun rises over the arid landscape, the sheer volume of this industrial material captures the golden light, creating a striking contrast against the sandy surroundings. Each length of pipe was meticulously selected for its durability, designed to withstand the harsh conditions of the desert environment. The vision behind the pipeline became a reality through the integration of resources from beyond borders, showcasing the robust quality of steel shaped by skilled hands. With every inch of this 1,100-kilometer oil line connecting distant regions, the flow of energy within these pipes supports countless lives. The magnitude of this engineering accomplishment emphasizes the commitment to harnessing nature's resources effectively. Every pipe segment of the Trans-Arabian pipeline boasts exact measurements, each one stretching to a length of 42 feet. The weight of every segment is around 1.5 tons, providing substantial heft that ensures durability. As these meticulously crafted sections find their place across the landscape, they contribute to the vast infrastructure that traverses the Saudi Arabian desert. The precision in manufacturing ensures that each piece fits seamlessly with the next, forming a continuous line that extends beyond lush imagination. The smooth, cool metal surface reflects the sunlight, glimmering under the expansive desert sky as the warm winds gently caress the ground around it. Each carefully engineered segment serves a purpose in the grand scale of the pipeline, embodying the thoughtful design that supports the flow of vital resources. Together, these pipe segments create a remarkable feat of engineering in a challenging environment. Innovations in welding techniques were carefully implemented to withstand the challenges posed by the rugged desert conditions encountered along the pipeline. These advanced methods were designed specifically to create strong, leak-proof joints, ensuring the integrity of the oil line over its impressive length of 1,100 kilometers. The harsh environment of the Saudi Arabian desert, with its relentless sun and shifting sands, demanded a solution that could endure these extreme elements. As the welding techniques evolved, they provided the necessary durability, enabling the pipeline to function effectively even under demanding circumstances. Each joint became a robust bond, reflecting the careful engineering that made this ambitious project feasible. The attention to detail in these innovations underscores the importance of safety and reliability in oil transport. This dedication to quality significantly impacts the success of the Trans-Arabian pipeline and its vital role in supplying oil across vast distances. Special insulating materials were chosen with great thought to safeguard the pipeline that stretches across the vast, arid expanse of the desert. These carefully selected materials provide a protective barrier against the extreme temperature fluctuations that occur in the harsh desert environment, where daytime heat can be intensely oppressive while nighttime temperatures can drop sharply. The pipeline maintains its integrity and performance thanks to these innovative insulating materials which preserve the oil's flow. Each meticulously constructed section of the pipeline enjoys the benefits of this specialized protection, ensuring it remains resilient against the relentless conditions of the Saudi Arabian desert. The use of these advanced insulating materials reflects a commitment to quality and durability, supporting the pipeline's functionality while withstanding the unforgiving elements. With this thoughtful design, the pipeline is well equipped to navigate the challenges posed by the desert climate. This careful consideration allows the pipeline to thrive despite environmental extremes. The construction of the pipeline marked a significant milestone, showcasing the first large-scale use of helicopter transport for efficient movement. Helicopters soared above the rugged terrain, transporting personnel swiftly across the vast landscape of the Saudi Arabian desert, where the sun glimmered off the golden sands. These aircraft carried essential materials necessary for the pipeline's assembly, streamlining the process and reducing the time required to connect the 1,100-kilometer oil line. Each flight contributed to the rhythm of the project, as workers relied on aerial support to reach even the most remote sites with ease. The ability to move quickly and effectively enabled teams to respond promptly to challenges, enhancing productivity in this expansive, arid land. The seamless operation of helicopters and ground crews transformed the daunting task of pipeline construction into a more manageable endeavor. With each passing day, progress continued under the vast and tranquil sky. A fleet of cutting-edge earth-moving machinery worked diligently along the route of the oil line crossing the Saudi Arabian desert. This powerful fleet included Caterpillar D8 tractors, which were crucial for swift excavation, ensuring that the path was prepared with precision and efficiency. Known for their strength and reliability, The Caterpillar D8 tractors maneuvered through the arid landscape, their tracks leaving clear impressions on the sun-baked earth. The air around the machinery pulsated with the steady hum of engines and the soft rumble of movement, signaling progress amidst the vast expanse of golden sands. Dust particles floated in the sunlight, creating a shimmering haze while heat radiated from the ground, reflecting the intensity of the environment. This impressive machinery fleet enabled the ambitious project to advance smoothly, transforming the desert into a well-planned route for the oil line. The emphasis on swift excavation was vital for facilitating the pipeline's construction. In harsh and isolated environments, innovative air-cooled diesel engines power remote pump stations with remarkable efficiency. These engines are specifically crafted to withstand the extreme conditions, ensuring that the flow of oil remains steady and uninterrupted across the vast Saudi Arabian desert. The air cooling system is designed to provide optimal performance, even in the scorching heat typical of this arid landscape. As the sun beats down on the golden sands, the engines hum steadily, facilitating the movement of this vital energy resource through endless stretches of wilderness. The durability of these machines showcases a dedicated effort to meet the challenges posed by such remote locations. Each pump station represents engineering that prioritizes reliability in unforgiving conditions. This careful design allows the pipeline to continue functioning, delivering oil with unwavering precision. Every operation of these engines plays a crucial role in maintaining the essential flow of energy across an expansive and breathtaking desert landscape. Advancements in protective coatings are essential in maintaining the integrity of structures such as the Trans-Arabian pipeline. A special tar-based compound has been developed specifically to resist corrosion threats that can emerge in harsh environments. This resilient coating forms a protective layer that envelops the surface, ensuring the pipeline remains safeguarded from the unforgiving forces of nature. As the sun gracefully sets over the sprawling desert, this tar-based compound actively blocks moisture and other corrosive agents from undermining the metal beneath. Each meticulous application showcases a commitment to achieving longevity and durability within the challenging conditions of the Saudi Arabian landscape. The thoughtful integration of this protective technology emphasizes a proactive approach to engineering, promoting reliability throughout the length of the oil line. As the pipeline continues its crucial function, these protective innovations stand as a steadfast shield against wear and environmental decay. A unique pipeline monitoring technology emerged from the project, specifically designed to detect pressure drops along the extensive oil line. This innovative technology serves a vital function in maintaining the integrity of the 1,100-kilometer oil line that stretches across the arid landscape of the Saudi Arabian desert. As oil flows through this immense structure, the monitoring technology continuously assesses the pressure within the pipeline, pinpointing any fluctuations that might signal potential leaks. This vigilant detection system helps safeguard the pipeline's safety while concurrently protecting the fragile desert ecosystem that surrounds it. By accurately recognizing minute variations in pressure, the technology plays an essential role in averting significant operational disruptions, ensuring that oil can travel smoothly without interruptions. The capacity to identify issues before they escalate reflects a commitment to both efficiency and environmental stewardship. Strategic placement of emergency cutoff valves every 20 miles along the Trans-Arabian pipeline emphasizes a commitment to safety in a vast, arid landscape. Each cutoff valve serves as a pivotal safety feature, ensuring that the flow of oil can be immediately halted in case of an emergency, reducing the risk of significant spills. The rhythmic sequence of these valves aligns with the expansive distance of the oil line, creating a sense of security against potential environmental threats. Every 20 miles, they stand ready, a silent guardian in the harsh Saudi Arabian desert, reflecting an innovative approach to risk management. This precaution showcases foresight in engineering, protecting both resources and the surrounding ecosystem. In this carefully monitored system, the emphasis on safety harmonizes with the natural beauty of the landscape, creating a balanced partnership between human engineering and the environment. Each valve embodies a proactive measure designed for tranquility and responsibility. A unique lesser-known detail about the Trans-Arabian pipeline is its incredible length, spanning more than 1,100 kilometers across the vast expanse of the Saudi Arabian desert. This extensive oil line traverses arid landscapes, where golden sands stretch endlessly, dotted with hardy desert flora that thrives against the sun's relentless heat. Each segment of this 1,100-kilometer pipeline not only enables the efficient transport of crude oil, but also reflects the vastness and beauty of the desert it traverses. The bright sun's rays illuminate the sturdy structure, creating a mesmerizing play of light and shadow against the backdrop of rolling dunes. Travelers nearby can feel the gentle caress of warm desert winds, creating a peaceful atmosphere that envelops this impressive engineering marvel. Its remarkable length underlines its critical role in the region's oil transport infrastructure, linking remote areas of the desert with a vital purpose that shapes the landscape. In the vast expanse of the Saudi Arabian desert, a remarkable feat of engineering began to take shape as the Trans-Arabian pipeline steadily emerged from the arid sands. During this time, an impressive number of more than 16,000 workers joined forces, their diverse backgrounds representing 30 different countries. The sounds of machinery blended with the determination of the workers, who toiled under the bright sun, their efforts contributing to the creation of a monumental oil line stretching 1,100 kilometers across the harsh terrain. This collaboration brought together skills and perspectives from around the globe, creating a unique blend of human effort amid the stark beauty of the desert landscape. Each worker, dedicated to their task, played a vital role in advancing this ambitious project, shaping the pipeline that would serve as a crucial artery for oil transportation. The labor and dedication of so many brought the project to life in this extraordinary setting. In the vast expanse of the Saudi Arabian desert, local Bedouin tribes emerged as vital partners in the construction of the Trans-Arabian pipeline. Their invaluable knowledge of the desert terrain proved essential, guiding the progress through the shifting sands and rocky outcrops. Each step taken along the 1,100-kilometer oil line relied on their understanding of the climate, which was marked by ever-changing weather patterns that could affect operations. The Bedouins' deep-rooted familiarity with the environment offered insights that facilitated navigation through the challenges presented by the landscape, ensuring that the pipeline followed a path of efficiency throughout its length. Their presence infused the labor with a sense of assurance, as they shared their expertise in locating rare water supplies and providing shelter from the sun's relentless rays. This collaboration between modern engineering and ancient wisdom flourished in the heart of the desert, reflecting a profound bond with the land and the significance of their support. Amid the vast stretch of the Saudi Arabian desert, female engineers like Florence Moon played a crucial role in the development of the Trans-Arabian pipeline, an impressive project covering a distance of 1,100 kilometers. In the engineering design offices, where innovation flourished, Florence Moon stood out as one of the few women on the project, sharing her invaluable insights and expertise with her colleagues. Her work significantly shaped the essential components of this vital infrastructure, highlighting the necessity of varied perspectives in engineering. Each design decision made by Florence Moon and her fellow engineers had a profound impact on the pipeline's effectiveness and functionality, rippling through the project and beyond. The arid landscape, marked by the history of this monumental project, reveals the vision and determination of women like her, who created opportunities for themselves in traditionally male-dominated fields. The influence of their contributions remains evident within the framework of the oil line, showcasing the strength found in collaboration and creativity. Undocumented anecdotes recount Bedouin camel caravans traversing the arid expanses of the Saudi Arabian desert, offering essential supplies during the remote construction phases of the Trans-Arabian pipeline. These caravans, guided by the profound knowledge of the terrain, navigated the vast sandy stretches with remarkable skill, delivering vital provisions to those laboring under the relentless sun. Each camel, a resilient creature perfectly adapted to the desert environment, was thoughtfully loaded with crucial resources, sustaining the workers in their persistent efforts. The arrival of these caravans brought not only physical support, but also a sense of camaraderie amidst the challenges of such unforgiving landscapes. As the sun lowered and cast a warm glow across the horizon, the soft silhouettes of the camels became etched against the twilight sky, creating an atmosphere of tranquility amidst the intensity of labor. Such anecdotes reveal the enduring traditions that flourish even in the harshest conditions. Amidst the vast expanse of the Saudi Arabian desert, international and local workers collaborated on the Trans-Arabian pipeline, an impressive endeavor that spans 1,100 kilometers, showcasing the richness of human interaction. Within this expansive project, tensions occasionally arose as cultural differences emerged, underscoring the need for skilled management in navigating these complexities. Every interaction was infused with diverse perspectives and experiences each individual brought, creating a dynamic atmosphere. Each challenge became a moment where understanding could blossom as the workforce engaged in the nuances of communication and collaboration. Addressing these cultural differences was essential for creating an effective working environment, which allowed productivity to flourish even under the hot desert sun. As the day transitioned into twilight, the diligent efforts of each worker came together, contributing to the heart of this remarkable oil line, highlighting the strength found in diversity and mutual respect among all involved. Amidst the vast expanse of the Saudi Arabian desert, many workers faced harsh living conditions that tested their fortitude. They resided in temporary camps, where the simplicity of their shelter contrasted starkly with the rugged terrain surrounding them. The relentless sun cast long shadows over the makeshift dwellings, as heat enveloped the air like a thick blanket, often becoming overwhelming. Each day, these dedicated individuals met the challenges of their environment, finding strength in camaraderie as they supported one another through trials. The sounds of the desert, from the distant rustle of wind to the soft shifting of sand, created a constant backdrop to their daily lives. Within these camps, the essence of survival thrived, as shared meals and conversations formed vital lifelines in the face of adversity. In this harsh yet beautiful landscape, the spirit of perseverance remained ever present, illuminating the resilience found within each individual. In a vast landscape where the sun blazingly illuminates the arid Saudi Arabian desert, Edmund Boyer, a Lebanese engineer, emerged as a pivotal figure. He skillfully mobilized local resources, tapping into the abundant potential of the region. His keen understanding of the terrain allowed him to efficiently utilize what lay at hand, bringing life to the ambitious project. Edmund navigated regional bureaucracy with a steady hand, expertly maneuvering through the complex layers of governance and regulations. His efforts helped ensure that the 1,100-kilometer oil line could cross this formidable desert expanse, connecting key locations by pipeline. Through his resourcefulness and determination, he made significant strides in a challenging environment. The sound of machinery accompanies the relentless winds of the desert, reflecting his contributions. Each decision he made was measured and deliberate, crafting pathways where there were none before. The impact of his work continues to be felt across the region. In the midst of constructing the Trans-Arabian pipeline, the well-being of workers was prioritized with safety protocols that were truly ahead of their time. Each day began with thorough briefings, which served to enhance awareness of the potential hazards present in the unforgiving landscape of the Saudi Arabian desert. These daily briefings carefully outlined the specific risks that arose due to the harsh environment, ensuring that every worker felt informed and equipped to handle the challenges they faced. As the sun rose over the arid dunes, the importance of these protocols became evident, guiding teams in their pursuit of progress while safeguarding their health. In this desert expanse, a culture of safety flourished, creating a space where individuals could focus on their tasks without undue concern. Workers moved forward each day with a deep sense of security, thanks to these protocols that were ahead of their time. Skill transfer initiatives unfolded gently, focusing on the training of the local workforce in essential pipeline construction and maintenance techniques. These carefully designed programs allowed individuals to absorb vital knowledge about constructing extensive oil lines while also gaining insights into the intricacies of maintaining such crucial infrastructures. Within the warm embrace of the desert sun, local workers engaged in hands-on training sessions, developing practical skills that would enable them to navigate the unique challenges posed by the environment. The desert landscape became a backdrop for learning, where the shimmering sands met the promise of new expertise. Through these initiatives, a deep understanding emerged, empowering the workforce to sustain and enhance the operation of the pipeline. Each training session stood as a robust foundation for a skilled group, capable of ensuring the functionality of this grand project. This cultivation of skill will support the future of pipeline management. In the heart of the Saudi Arabian desert, personal stories unfold, illustrating friendships formed among workers from diverse backgrounds. These friendships blossom among individuals who face the physical demands of constructing the 1,100-kilometer oil line, uniting them through shared experiences. Together, they navigate the arid conditions, where the sun bathes the sky in beautiful hues of orange and gold, touching their challenging work with warmth. Conversations flow over cups of warm tea, and laughter fills the air, echoing softly in the vast desert. Under the twinkling stars of the night sky, tales from distant places are shared, allowing moments of joy and understanding to deepen their bonds. Each interaction reveals a profound appreciation among the workers, emphasizing the remarkable capacity for collaboration to bring individuals together in unexpected ways. In this atmosphere of shared effort, a deep sense of camaraderie flourishes, leaving lasting impressions on every worker involved. An expansive stretch of land, the Saudi Arabian desert, serves as the backdrop for the unique engineering accomplishment known as the Trans-Arabian pipeline. This 1,100-kilometer oil line flows through the vast and arid landscape, showcasing the impressive feat of constructing infrastructure amid nature's challenges. As it traces its path across the desert, the pipeline acts as a vital artery for transporting crucial energy resources, supplying energy to both local and international markets. The relentless sun glistens on the pipeline's surface, illuminating its metallic sheen against the endless sea of golden sand. Each segment of this lengthy oil line is meticulously constructed to withstand the harsh environmental conditions that define the desert. The robust design incorporates innovative materials capable of withstanding high temperatures and shifting sands. In the heart of the Saudi Arabian desert, this 1,100-kilometer pipeline quietly functions, transporting energy essential for countless lives across vast distances. In the harsh expanse of the Saudi Arabian desert, daunting conditions create significant logistical challenges during the construction process. Sandstorms frequently sweep across this arid landscape, swirling grains of sand into the air and obscuring visibility, complicating the builder's work. These fierce moments of severe weather reflect the intense forces of nature that workers confront each day, demanding unwavering focus and immense resilience. Alongside these sandstorms, extreme temperatures provide an unrelenting challenge, requiring laborers to adapt their schedules and routines to cope with the sweltering heat during daylight hours. The extreme conditions transform every aspect of the project, from meticulous planning to the careful execution of tasks, as individuals navigate the physical demands placed on them by their environment. Each effort exerted in this unyielding landscape speaks of their determination, and the challenges presented by sandstorms and scorching temperatures shape the entire construction undertaking into a formidable endeavor. In the vast expanse of the Saudi Arabian desert, localized labor strikes unfolded, creating moments of pause in the steady rhythm of construction. Each strike emerged unexpectedly, calling for immediate attention to the needs and concerns of the workers. These situations necessitated rapid negotiation, where voices were heard and solutions sought, ensuring that the energy and determination of the team remained strong. As discussions flowed, a sense of urgency surrounded the negotiations, enabling a climate where conflicts could be addressed promptly. The meticulous planning of the construction project contributed to the urgency, as timelines were tight and goals were clear. Each resolution marked a small victory that kept progress on schedule, allowing the 1,100-kilometer oil line to take shape through the arid landscape. The resilience of the workers and the commitment to teamwork proved vital in maintaining the momentum of this significant endeavor and achieving the project's objectives. Navigating topographical obstacles like Wadi Rum unfolds the complexity of the Trans-Arabian pipeline as it stretches across the Saudi Arabian desert. This challenging terrain prompted the use of innovative engineering solutions designed to ensure the pipeline's integrity in such rugged landscapes. Engineers faced the task of considering the unique geological features of Wadi Rum, where the dramatic cliffs and deep valleys posed significant hurdles. Their approaches demonstrated a blend of creativity and practicality, enabling the structure to withstand the natural forces at play within this arid environment. Each curve and bend of the pipeline reflects careful calculations that take into account the shifting sands and rocky outcrops found in the desert. These thoughtful modifications ensure that the flow of oil remains uninterrupted, allowing the pipeline to serve its purpose amid the stark beauty of the desert. Achieving this feat speaks to a blend of engineering skill and resilience in the face of nature's challenges. Crossing the Jordan River required specialized hydrological engineering to ensure the pipeline's stability amidst the natural challenges presented by the river's water flow. Unique techniques were employed to secure the pipeline against the powerful forces of flooding and erosion that can unexpectedly alter landscapes and impact the surrounding environment. This careful planning and design were essential for maintaining the integrity of the route, as it needed to withstand the varying conditions produced by the river during heavy rainfall events. Engineers meticulously assessed the dynamics of the river, considering seasonal changes, along with the potential impacts of storms that could lead to sudden shifts in water levels. This attention to detail ensured that the pipeline remained safe and functional while crossing such a vital natural barrier. Engineering solutions reflected a deep understanding of the hydrological characteristics unique to the area, providing the necessary resilience for the pipeline's crossing. Such measures allowed for a smooth passage, enabling the pipeline to fulfill its essential purpose. The remote locations of construction sites presented unique challenges, prompting the establishment of dedicated supply routes that would transport essential materials and provisions. These carefully planned pathways snaked through the vast expanses of the desert, ensuring that every resource reached its intended destination. Trucks laden with concrete and steel traveled along these routes, navigating the arid landscape under the brilliant sun. The commitment to building dedicated supply routes reflected an understanding of the necessity to support the efforts in such isolated regions. Workers relied on these routes for sustenance, finding nourishment amid the harsh surroundings. As the dedicated supply routes flourished, they not only fueled the construction, but also created an atmosphere of purpose and determination. Each delivery along these paths brought with it a sense of progress and hope, illuminating the isolation of the desert with the promise of what was to come. Temperature-induced expansion and contraction present notable challenges for pipelines, especially in the extreme climate of the Saudi Arabian desert. Engineers studied the effects of these temperature variations and recognized the need for a thoughtful solution. To effectively address these challenges, they implemented strategic segmenting throughout the pipeline, facilitating independent adaptation to changing temperatures. This method allows each section to expand and contract on its own, maintaining structural integrity under varying conditions. The clever inclusion of flexibility joints further enhances this adaptability, providing additional accommodation for movement without risking damage. Each joint is engineered to absorb stress, reducing the likelihood of buckling within the pipeline. In the vast expanse of the Saudi Arabian desert, the ambitious project of the Trans-Arabian pipeline stretches across an impressive distance of 1,100 kilometers. Despite the monumental scope of this endeavor, conflict between the states involved in the project has led to temporary halts in its progress. These disruptions create a stillness in the desert, pausing the flow of work and leaving an echo of uncertainty in the sandy silence. As the sun sets, casting golden hues across the landscape, diplomatic interventions become necessary to resume the vital work on the pipeline as discussions and negotiations unfold under the expansive desert sky. Each pause in activity invites a deep contemplation of the complex dynamics at play, emphasizing the need for thoughtful collaboration amidst adversity. The vastness of the desert holds these moments of tension, a reminder that human ambition navigates through significant challenges. Peaceful resolutions bring renewed hope to this monumental project in the arid landscape. At critical junctures along the pipeline, the landscape of the Saudi Arabian desert revealed rocks and difficult terrain, presenting significant challenges in its construction. These obstacles demanded careful consideration and meticulous planning, as the lines of the pipeline required unimpeded routes to transport vital resources. To address these complexities, the use of explosives became essential, allowing workers to clear paths through the rugged features of the earth. Each controlled explosion released energy that transformed the surrounding environment, reshaping the ground to create smooth pathways essential for the pipeline's functioning. The clearing of these routes not only facilitated progress, but also demonstrated the determination to overcome natural barriers in pursuit of connectivity and efficiency. This deliberate and methodical approach contributed to the successful establishment of a pipeline stretching over 1,100 kilometers, reflecting the adaptability required to navigate the challenges posed by the harsh desert environment. In the vast serenity of the desert, a landscape marked by its arid nature, the absence of water sources evokes ingenuity and resilience. This scarcity prompts the careful development of transport and storage systems, specifically designed to meet the hydration needs of the dedicated workforce within this unforgiving environment. These systems serve as a lifeline, creating a network that enables the movement of essential water supplies across the sandy stretches. Every aspect of this meticulous planning reflects a response to the challenges posed by the harsh desert climate. With each drop of water carefully stored and transporting, the workforce remains sustained, empowered to fulfill their tasks amidst the expansive, sun-soaked terrain. This thoughtful solution addresses hydration while highlighting the profound adaptability found in human spirit when faced with nature's formidable barriers. The commitment to overcoming these challenges is evident in every reflection within this vast and demanding landscape. In the vast expanse of the Saudi Arabian desert, the Trans-Arabian pipeline stands as a remarkable achievement, stretching along an 1,100-kilometer oil line. Adaptation to sudden geopolitical developments played a crucial role in the construction of this significant project. To navigate the unexpected changes in the geopolitical landscape, a flexible construction strategy was essential for the pipeline's progression. This flexibility allowed for swift adjustments that minimized the potential for delays in construction, ensuring that the project remained on track despite the challenges it faced. The strategic planning involved not only foresight, but also the ability to respond effectively to shifting circumstances that might otherwise hinder progress. Each phase of construction relied on this adaptability, highlighting the importance of remaining responsive to external factors while working on such a monumental undertaking. This careful attention to detail and strategic foresight in construction contributed to the successful completion of the Trans-Arabian pipeline. Stretching across 1,100 kilometers, the Trans-Arabian pipeline represents a significant feat as it crosses the vast expanse of the Saudi Arabian desert. This oil line, remarkable for its length, traverses a landscape characterized by arid plains and the occasional rocky outcrop, offering an extraordinary view of nature's raw beauty. The relentless sun beams down on the pipeline, enveloping it in warmth as it transports vital resources across this challenging environment. While not widely recognized, its operational capacity to move crude oil over such distances showcases remarkable engineering capabilities employed in its creation. Each kilometre embodies meticulous design, ensuring the safe transit of precious materials through diverse terrains. The commitment to preserving this infrastructure underscores the importance of energy resources in shaping economic landscapes. Every segment of this pipeline blends seamlessly with the tranquil desert surroundings, embodying a purposeful venture of human ingenuity. The warm, golden sands of the eastern province of Saudi Arabia greeted the arrival of a transformative vision in September 1947, when groundbreaking for the pipeline officially commenced. As the sun bathed the vast expanse in its radiant light, each shovel of earth symbolized a step towards connecting vast regions of the desert. The process began amidst the tranquil silence of the landscape, as workers moved with purpose and focus, carving pathways into the arid land. This monumental moment promised to change the flow of oil and expand the energy carriers across great distances. With each clinking sound of metal against stone, a significant venture was propelled forward, setting into motion a project that would traverse an impressive distance. The backdrop of the serene desert landscape encapsulated the beginnings of something extraordinary. This remarkable undertaking marked the first phase in a significant movement across the heart of the desert. As the sun rose over the vast, golden expanse of the Saudi Arabian desert, a remarkable achievement unfolded, with the completion of 350 kilometers of the Trans-Arabian pipeline by July 1948, marking a key progress milestone in oil transport. The warm desert air embraced the fresh section of the pipeline, which glimmered under the bright rays, merging seamlessly with the rugged terrain of this arid landscape. Each meter of the pipeline, carefully laid, symbolized meticulous planning and unwavering dedication to the project's ambitious goals. At this stage, the accomplishment struck a chord with those involved, as they realized they had crossed a crucial threshold in their efforts. With purpose and determination, the pipeline began facilitating the flow of precious resources, unfurling its long stretch toward greater horizons. This moment celebrated a significant advance in the evolving narrative of energy on a grand scale. In March 1949, the first pump station at Dhahran was fully constructed and activated, creating a significant impact on oil transportation. This pump station, equipped with advanced machinery, was specifically designed to facilitate more efficient oil flow, altering the mechanisms of extraction and distribution in profound ways. As the machines came alive, the atmosphere in Dhahran was filled with the vibrations of innovation, signifying the start of a new era in the energy sector. With each rotation of the pump's gears, crude oil began its movement through a network of pipelines that extended across the expansive 1,100-kilometer oil line, navigating the rugged terrain of the Saudi Arabian desert. The once peaceful desert, known for its vast silence, now echoed with the rhythm of productivity as the pump station operated continuously, enhancing the capacity for oil transportation and shaping the future of energy in the region. Progress was unfolding daily, bringing new advancements and possibilities. The construction of the pipeline across Jordan marked a significant shift in engineering practices, illustrating how innovative techniques were applied to navigate challenges. By the end of 1949, this ambitious project demonstrated a blend of rigorous planning and modern construction methods that transformed the landscape of oil transportation. The pipeline operated within a unique set of social dynamics, as it required collaboration among various stakeholders, from workers to engineers. As the pipeline crossed the region, the interaction of different cultures and backgrounds created a sense of purpose among those involved in the endeavor. This dynamic environment not only influenced the technical aspects of the construction, but also shaped the relationships that developed throughout the project. With every section laid, builders and engineers engaged in dialogues that enriched their experiences, crafting a narrative of achievement and determination. Each stage of the construction contributed to a deeper understanding of the interconnectedness of people's goals and aspirations. In June 1950, the final touches were placed on the pipeline sections laid through Syria, marking the completion of a critical transit zone. This essential milestone facilitated the movement of oil across regions, creating an important link in the vast network of the Trans-Arabian pipeline. The sections of the pipeline, stretching through the rugged terrain of Syria, reflected both the challenges and triumphs of such a monumental task. As the summer sun bathed the landscape in warm hues, the completion of this zone allowed for the flow of oil to begin, transforming the dynamic of energy distribution. The landscape surrounding the pipeline echoed with the promise of progress and resource accessibility, signifying a substantial step in the advancement of energy infrastructure. This moment in history paved the way for increased collaboration and development in the oil industry, enhancing growth opportunities. The successful laying of each section represents a remarkable achievement in engineering innovation. The month of October in 1950 marked a significant moment with the construction of a marine terminal in Sidon. This terminal was specifically designed to manage large-scale oil exports, reflecting the growing demand for oil during that period. The structure rose gracefully along the coastline, prepared to accommodate substantial quantities of oil flowing out to various destinations. With its sturdy architecture, the marine terminal stood as a vital hub for the oil industry, facilitating trade across the waters. Its presence in Sidon symbolized an essential step in enhancing the links between oil-rich regions and global markets. As the waves gently lapped against the shore, workers diligently focused on the terminal, ensuring it was ready for its pivotal role. This endeavor contributed significantly to the local economy and to the broader oil export framework in the region. The marine terminal in Sidon became an integral part of the extensive network of oil transportation. In mid-1951, the air was filled with a sense of progress as advanced control systems were installed across all pump stations along the Trans-Arabian pipeline. This significant enhancement to operational reliability brought forth a calm assurance amidst the vastness of the Saudi Arabian desert. The rhythmic hum of machinery echoed softly, marking the dedication of engineers and workers committed to ensuring smooth operations. Each pump station, now equipped with cutting-edge technology, vibrated with a new energy, an energy that promised uninterrupted flow across the 1,100-kilometer stretch. The sun's warmth filtered through a clear sky, casting gentle shadows on the sand as the pipeline facilitated the movement of precious resources. As these advancements took root, a renewed sense of trust emerged, reinforcing the path ahead while embracing the serenity of the desert landscape. Enhanced control systems redefined reliability in the heart of the desert, with an unwavering commitment to operational excellence. On a serene day, the 25th of October in the year 1950, a significant event marked the beginning of a vital era through golden sands. As the sun rose gently over the arid landscape of the Saudi Arabian desert, the Trans-Arabian pipeline officially opened, signaling a new phase of energy movement. In that tranquil moment, the first oil, rich and dark, began its flow, traveling through the meticulously constructed line. This monumental pipeline connected the vast oil fields of Saudi Arabia to the shimmering waters of the Mediterranean Sea, creating a pathway of commerce. Each drop of oil carried with it the essence of the desert, threading through the remote and expansive terrain. As the oil cascaded smoothly through the pipeline, it initiated an important relationship between distant lands, bridging the gap and enabling exchanges that would shape future economies. The flow of oil began on that day, forever changing the landscape of energy supply. In April 1952, a remarkable achievement emerged as the Trans-Arabian pipeline reached its full standard operating capacity, marking a significant moment in oil transportation. This vast infrastructure enabled a peak transportation level of 500,000 barrels per day, showcasing the efficiency and scale of its design. Stretching across the sweeping Saudi Arabian desert, the pipeline became a vital artery for the flow of energy resources, crucial to the region's economy. Each barrel represents not just oil, but the potential and promise carried through the arid sands of the desert landscape. As the warm winds sweep across the terrain, the din of activity encapsulates a vibrant industriousness, while the pipeline stands as a representation of human aspiration and innovation within a challenging environment. Such a remarkable capacity reflects the remarkable convergence of engineering and nature, inviting contemplation in the serene embrace of the desert's vastness. Continuous upgrades and expansions have significantly enhanced the capacity of the Trans-Arabian pipeline over the years, ensuring its longevity and operational effectiveness. The ongoing commitment to these improvements reflects a dedication to maintaining the pipeline's relevance in an ever-evolving landscape. As these enhancements are implemented, they allow for a seamless flow, supporting the dynamic needs of the region's oil transportation. The sustained focus on expansion contributes to a robust infrastructure capable of traversing the arid expanse of the Saudi Arabian desert. Each upgrade is a step towards optimizing the efficiency of this essential oil line, which stretches for 1,100 kilometers across the vast, sun-drenched terrain. By addressing the demands of modern energy requirements, the pipeline remains a crucial channel for energy supply. This continuous evolution illustrates the dedication to providing reliable transport for such a vital resource. In the landscape of the vast Saudi Arabian desert, a remarkable structure lies nestled among the golden sands, embodying the unique essence of engineering achievement. The Trans-Arabian pipeline stretches an impressive 1,100 kilometers, forging a path through the arid wilderness of this expansive region. Each segment of this oil line tells a story of resilience, transporting oil from rich reservoirs deep within the earth to a world that thirsts for energy. The pipeline's route glides through sun-baked terrain, where the heat shimmers above like a mirage, revealing the stark beauty of its surroundings. As it crosses the boundless desert, it serves a vital purpose, connecting resources to distant markets while bravely facing the challenging conditions of one of the driest places on Earth. This lesser-known detail encourages reflection on the remarkable capabilities of engineering in creating a conduit that integrates seamlessly with the stark yet captivating environment around it. Stretching an impressive 1,069 miles, the pipeline carved through the expansive landscape of the Saudi Arabian desert, showcasing remarkable engineering. This extensive oil line was considered one of the longest in the world at the time of its completion, reflecting the ambitious spirit of the era. As it meandered across the golden sands, the pipeline connected vast resources beneath the earth to ports that would carry them across oceans. Each mile represented determination and innovation, crafted to transport precious oil over challenging terrain. The warmth of the desert sun bathes the structure, highlighting its significance in the global energy landscape. Within the unyielding sands and arid climate, this oil line embodied a monumental achievement, revealing the lengths to which humanity would go to harness natural resources. The majesty of its length offered a quiet reassurance of progress in the heart of the desert, marking a key moment in the evolution of energy transport. A construction budget of over $200 million enveloped this grand venture, signifying an investment of remarkable scale and ambition. It emerged as one of the most expensive infrastructure projects of its era, showcasing a financial magnitude that few could match. As workers delved into the vastness of the Saudi Arabian desert, each dollar spent reflected the importance of this monumental task. Every inch of the 1,100-kilometer oil line demanded meticulous planning and dedication, showcasing the vision behind such an extensive undertaking. This financial commitment, paired with the challenging environment of the arid landscape, highlights the determination and effort required for success. Along that lengthy route, the bond between engineering expertise and the harsh desert elements became a story of resilience. The effort and investment illustrate a significant chapter in the evolution of infrastructure development. This project will forever remain a crucial part of engineering history. In the vast expanse of the Saudi Arabian desert, the Trans-Arabian pipeline serves as a vital conduit for oil. The diameter of this remarkable structure was increased from the initial 30 inches to 31 inches in selected segments, an adjustment made to enhance its capacity over time. This careful expansion reflects an intentional design choice, which allows for improved flow and efficiency among the arid landscape of shifting sands. Each selected segment showcases a story of adaptation, indicating a mindful approach to meet the growing demands of oil transportation. The seamless transition from one diameter to another balances functionality with the surrounding environment, highlighting the relationship between human innovation and the natural world. This thoughtful evolution in the pipeline's design encapsulates the essence of progress and reflects a commitment to optimizing resources where they are needed the most. The Trans-Arabian pipeline exemplifies careful planning and engineering that support its crucial role in energy transport. Amidst the vast expanse of the Saudi Arabian desert, over 45 million barrels of oil were transporting annually, creating a remarkable flow through the harsh landscape. This impressive distance spanned more than 1,000 miles, highlighting the relentless determination to navigate the challenges presented by the unforgiving terrain. The sheer volume of oil moved each year speaks to the vital importance of this pipeline in connecting distant oil fields to markets and refineries. As the sun rises and sets over the endless dunes, the operations take place in this environment, where the heat can be intense and the landscape stark. Each barrel represents a commitment to sustaining energy needs despite the odds, bridging the gap across hostile environmental conditions. The logistics of this pipeline exemplify the remarkable achievement of engineering in such a remote area, ensuring that this vital resource flows unimpeded across the desert. In the vast expanse of the Saudi Arabian desert, the pipeline stood as a remarkable achievement, moving more than 1 million barrels of oil each day at its operational peak. This impressive capacity created a powerful flow of energy, setting regional transport records that spoke to its efficiency. Each barrel carried with it the promise of progress, traveling along the length of the pipeline with precision and purpose. The arid landscape served as both a challenge and a backdrop, emphasizing the significant impact of this 1,100-kilometer oil line. As it crossed the desert, it connected distant regions, transforming the flow of oil into a vital lifeline for many. The sheer volume of oil transporting underscored the scale of engineering and dedication involved, illustrating a commitment to meet the world's energy demands. Such a venture brings to mind the collaboration required to achieve remarkable outcomes. Across the vast expanse of the Saudi Arabian desert, the project facilitated the construction of 6 major pump stations that serve as vital components designed to transport oil efficiently. Each pump station plays a vital role in maintaining consistent oil flow, ensuring that the resources are delivered steadily across the challenging landscape. The steady hum of the pumps fills the air gently, representing the unwavering commitment to efficiency in a sprawling desert environment. These essential stations are strategically positioned to provide necessary support, overcoming the natural obstacles present in this arid region. The desert, with its sweeping dunes and rolling horizons, forms a striking backdrop for this remarkable endeavor, emphasizing the significance of every pumping station. Together, these structures work tirelessly to keep the oil flowing smoothly, reflecting the precision and determination inherent in this project. The achievement of this construction marks a vital moment in the evolution of oil transport. The Sidon terminal of the Trans-Arabian pipeline stands as a significant milestone in oil export efficiency, showcasing its capability to load tankers in a mere 24 hours. This rapid loading time profoundly impacts the flow of oil from its origin, enhancing the speed at which oil is exported from the rich reserves of the region. Each tanker, filled with precious oil, glides smoothly away from the terminal, delivering its valuable cargo to distant shores. The efficient operation of the Sidon terminal alleviates bottlenecks that can often hinder export processes, contributing to a more streamlined system. By implementing such a remarkably swift loading period, the pipeline plays a critical role in meeting global demand for oil. The vast expanse surrounding the terminal, characterized by the warm embrace of the sun and gentle desert breezes, complements the industrious activities of this pivotal oil transportation hub. The Sidon terminal exemplifies efficiency as it seamlessly connects producers to a world eager for energy. Transporting crude oil flows steadily through the Trans-Arabian pipeline, a remarkable undertaking that achieved significant milestones upon its completion. This pipeline became the longest uninterrupted oil flow over land, establishing a new standard for energy transport at that time. Stretching gracefully across the arid expanse of the Saudi Arabian desert, it serves as a vast channel of energy and movement. The relentless push of crude oil through its structure reflects the deliberate design that facilitates this continuous flow. Each section of the pipeline offers a link not only to the land, but also to the natural resources lying deep within it. As the oil traverses this impressive distance, it carries with it the vitality and promise of a resource that fuels industries and economies alike. Across 1,100 kilometers, the pipeline stands as a powerful conduit, channeling energy through the vastness of the desert. Flowing gracefully through a mesmerizing landscape, the pipeline covered an elevation range of nearly 3,000 feet, showcasing its remarkable ability to navigate considerable geographical hurdles. As it traversed the undulating terrain, it encountered shifting slopes, rugged hills, and valleys that stretched endlessly, each presenting new challenges to its steady progression. The determination of the structure to maintain its course through such elevation differences demonstrates the focused engineering behind its design. Each foot of the ascent invites contemplation of the vastness of the desert surrounding it, while the air carries tales of the distance traveled, emphasizing both the challenges faced and the triumphs achieved. This imposing structure, stretching across the expansive Saudi Arabian desert, reflects on the engineering feats accomplished and the relationship between human creations and natural landscapes. In this serene expanse, the pipeline stands resilient and unwavering, a true marvel of human ingenuity. Constructing the Trans-Arabian pipeline involved the remarkable task of shifting approximately 5 million cubic yards of earth, illustrating the colossal scale of this project. Every cubic yard of earth signifies the immense effort required to navigate the arid expanse of the Saudi Arabian desert, where the sun casts long shadows upon the shifting sands. With machinery roaring and earth being displaced, a profound transformation unfolded in the landscape, highlighting the determination and ambition that fueled the pipeline's creation. This immense volume of earth moved reflects the challenges faced by the workers, who tirelessly toiled beneath the vast, relentless sky that stretched far above them. The dusty aroma of the desert blended with the metallic scent of machinery, creating an atmosphere thick with purpose and ambition. Each shovel of earth removed facilitated a route that connected resources across regions, marking a significant alteration of the land and an evolution in energy transportation. The sheer effort behind this undertaking leaves an indelible mark on the desert landscape. The Trans-Arabian pipeline stretches for 1,100 kilometers, traversing the vast and arid expanse of the Saudi Arabian desert. This remarkable oil line serves as a vital artery, facilitating the movement of oil across a landscape characterized by its stark beauty and scorching sun. The pipeline, a lesser-known marvel, embodies the engineering prowess required to navigate the challenges posed by such an inhospitable environment. Each section of the 1,100 kilometers holds within it the stories of determination and resilience as it connects diverse regions of this expansive desert. While many may overlook its significance, the Trans-Arabian pipeline plays a critical role in the flow of resources in a part of the world that pulses with life under the relentless heat. This lengthy conduit stands as an extraordinary example of human ingenuity in one of the planet's most challenging terrains. Route planning for the Trans-Arabian pipeline involved careful consideration of critical natural habitats, reflecting a profound respect for the environment. As the pipeline moves across the vast expanse of the Saudi Arabian desert, specific sections were skillfully designed to skirt around delicate ecological zones. This mindful approach ensured that the rich biodiversity present in these areas remained undisturbed, protecting the delicate balance of life that thrives in the arid landscape. Each twist and turn of the oil line symbolizes a commitment to balancing industrial needs with ecological preservation, showcasing an awareness of how precious these habitats are. The careful planning provides a sanctuary for the various species that depend on these ecosystems, emphasizing the significance of maintaining nature's fragile equilibrium. This meticulous attention to environmental detail transforms the landscape, creating an experience of coexistence rather than simply a path for industrial advancement. Provisions were thoughtfully made to manage potential oil spills, underlining a conscientious approach to protecting the environment. Strategic emergency shut-off valves were meticulously installed along the route of the oil line, emphasizing the importance of preparedness amidst vast and delicate ecosystems. These vital shut-off valves are positioned with careful consideration of the ecological aspects of the pathway, that runs through the Saudi Arabian desert, a landscape alive with diverse wildlife and fragile habitats. The deliberate placement of these valves reflects a strong commitment to safeguarding the natural surroundings, allowing for rapid responses during unforeseen incidents. Each valve stands as a crucial point for minimizing potential impacts on the environment, reinforcing the responsibility taken to ensure the safety of the ecosystem. This foresight enriches the ability to respond effectively to any possible emergencies, highlighting the importance of environmental stewardship at every stage of the operation. Environmental assessments played a crucial role in the construction of the Trans-Arabian pipeline, as they meticulously ensured minimal disruption to nomadic animal migration paths. Through careful planning, the assessments identified vital routes used by wildlife, allowing for strategic adjustments that preserved these natural pathways. The process emphasized the importance of maintaining the ecological balance in the arid desert regions, where vast expanses of golden sand stretch under sunlit skies. Each decision made considered the needs of the animals that traverse these territories, ensuring that their migratory habits remained uninterrupted. The assessments illuminated the delicate relationship between human industrial endeavors and the natural world, reflecting a deep respect for the environment within an expansive desert landscape. Such diligence instilled a sense of peace, knowing that both progress and wildlife could coexist gently in this remarkable terrain. A commitment to environmental stewardship guided the entire undertaking with a careful, considerate approach. In the vast expanse of the Saudi Arabian desert, strategic efforts were thoughtfully planned to safeguard the essential function of the Trans-Arabian pipeline, which spans 1,100 kilometers. Protecting the pipeline from the encroaching sands was a priority, ensuring that this vital oil line could operate efficiently amid the shifting dunes. Careful strategies were devised to counter the relentless movement of sand, allowing for the uninterrupted flow of resources throughout the pipeline. The desert environment, with its warm golden hues and sweeping landscapes, posed a unique challenge that required innovative solutions. These protective measures not only aimed to enhance functionality, but also to respect the dynamic nature of the desert. With each strategy implemented, the strength of the pipeline was reinforced, allowing it to thrive amidst the elements. The thoughtful planning behind its protection highlights the careful consideration of the natural world while maintaining essential operations. Design considerations for the pipeline included the incorporation of heat-resistant materials, essential for operations in the Saudi Arabian desert. These materials ensure resilience against the high temperatures typical of the intense summer climate, where the sun radiates its energy with unyielding strength. As the heat swelters on the surface, the pipeline continues to uphold its structural integrity due to careful engineering and selection of appropriate materials. The surroundings embrace vast stretches of shimmering sand that reflect the bright blue sky, intensifying the heat around it. Engineers meticulously anticipated these climatic challenges, prioritizing durability in their designs, which allows the pipeline to operate effectively despite the punishing environment. The selection of these specialized materials plays a crucial role in maintaining high performance, granting peace of mind that it can endure the demanding conditions found in this arid landscape. This assures a vital function in transporting oil across the expansive reach of the Saudi Arabian desert. In the vast stretches of the Saudi Arabian desert, groundwater contamination prevention was paramount during the construction of the Trans-Arabian pipeline. The design incorporated advanced sealing techniques, meticulously crafted to ensure the protection of precious aquifers located beneath the arid surface. These sealing techniques were not merely additional measures, they were fundamental to maintaining the purity of the groundwater and safeguarding this vital resource from potential pollutants. Each segment of the pipeline was designed with precision to prevent leaks, exhibiting an unwavering commitment to preserving the natural environment. As the sun casts gentle rays over the stark landscape, the efforts to protect the aquifers stand as a quiet assurance that care was taken in this expansive endeavor. The tranquility of the desert cradles this vital project, reflecting a balance between progress and preservation. Every conscious decision in the design process expresses a deep respect for the land. At strategic points along the 1,100-kilometer oil line, crossing the vast expanse of the Saudi Arabian desert, wind erosion control structures were erected to provide essential support for pipeline stability. These well-engineered structures were specifically crafted to withstand the intense desert winds that sweep relentlessly across the dry landscape, carrying fine grains of sand that can threaten the integrity of the oil line. Each carefully positioned structure helps to divert the powerful forces of nature, creating sheltered areas that bring a tranquil quality to the surroundings. The sight of these sturdy structures, contrasting with the endless waves of golden sand, inspires a sense of reassurance as they stand resilient in the face of adversity. Their unwavering presence against the whipping winds facilitates calm and stability, ensuring that the oil pipeline remains secure and operational amidst the ever-changing desert conditions. Such careful planning and execution provide a foundation for reliable transport across this harsh landscape. The environmental impact on fluvial systems received careful attention through precise engineering at critical crossings, such as rivers along the Trans-Arabian pipeline. This thoughtful approach ensured that the natural flow of water was respected, allowing rivers to continue their gentle meander through the landscape without disruption. Each crossing was thoughtfully designed to minimize any potential disturbance, creating pathways that harmonized with the integrity of the ecosystem. As the pipeline spans the expansive Saudi Arabian desert, the focus on careful engineering exemplifies a commitment to both resource transport and environmental stewardship. Engineers worked meticulously to analyze the unique characteristics of each river, adapting their designs to safeguard against any adverse effects. In doing so, the pipeline navigates the delicate balance between infrastructure needs and the preservation of vital water systems. This mindful consideration creates a foundation for sustainable practices that protect the natural environment. The mindful choice to traverse through politically stable areas reflects a careful consideration of both safety and sustainability. Each segment of the 1,100-kilometer oil line flows across the vast expanse of the Saudi Arabian desert, where the environment remains untouched by turmoil. With each stretch of land carefully selected, the decision aims to minimize the construction's environmental footprint amidst the rugged landscape. As the line meanders through serene surroundings, the dedication to ecological stewardship is evident in the thoughtful planning of the path. This alignment through stable regions not only enhances the project's feasibility, but also embraces a commitment to protecting the delicate desert ecosystem. The delicate balance between infrastructure and nature unfolds, showcasing the importance of being responsible custodians of the land. Such an approach not only supports stability, but also honors the beauty of the environment that surrounds the pipeline. Wildlife corridors play a crucial role in preserving the uninterrupted movements of indigenous species, enabling animals to traverse their natural habitats with ease. Careful planning is implemented when constructing infrastructure, such as the Trans-Arabian pipeline, to reroute these critical pathways instead of obstructing them. Such meticulous attention to these corridors helps uphold a fragile balance within the ecosystem, ensuring that human development does not interfere with the natural behaviors of wildlife. Indigenous species can engage in their daily routines without encountering barriers that could jeopardize their well-being. By maintaining wildlife corridors or thoughtfully adjusting their routes, the potential impacts on animal populations are significantly reduced, promoting their success in the environments where they belong. This dedication to safeguarding natural pathways demonstrates a profound respect for the interconnectedness of all life, highlighting the importance of coexistence between human activities and wildlife in the vast desert landscape. Stretching across the vast expanse of the Saudi Arabian desert, the Trans-Arabian pipeline extends for 1,100 kilometers, creating a striking line through the Golden Sands. This oil line highlights the ingenuity of engineering, conducting oil through challenging terrains that few would expect in such an arid environment. Each segment of this pipeline showcases meticulous planning and construction, designed to endure the intense heat of the sun that shimmers upon the surface. As this pipeline navigates through the desert, it plays a crucial role in linking regions rich in oil with distant markets beyond the barren landscapes. The endless stretch glimmers under the sunlight, acting as a vital artery of energy coursing through the dry soil. Its unique position as a significant infrastructure project exemplifies the remarkable human spirit devoted to overcoming natural obstacles, revealing the unwavering commitment to resource management in one of the world's most demanding climates. On a bright day marked by significance, the formal inauguration of the pipeline unfolded on the 2nd of May, 1951. The atmosphere was filled with a sense of purpose as delegates from all involved countries gathered to witness this monumental occasion. With each representative present, the shared commitment to this endeavor was palpable as the sun illuminated the vast expanse of the Saudi Arabian desert surrounding them. This historic event celebrated the collaborative spirit between nations, united by the immense 1,100-kilometer oil line built to traverse the arid landscape. The smooth curves of the pipeline showcased engineering prowess as it ran through the rugged terrain, promising to transport vital resources. Each delegate understood the weight of this moment, embracing the responsibility that came with such a pivotal development. It was a day when visions transformed into reality, marking the beginning of a new chapter in the oil industry. Daily operations revolve around a complex logistics network that assures seamless coordination between multiple geographic and political regions. This network facilitates the movement of essential resources across the expansive and arid landscapes of Saudi Arabia, where the golden sun casts a warm glow on the sandy stretches that stretch for miles. Each logistical decision is informed by the distinct political territories that surround the pipeline, emphasizing the careful planning necessary to maintain effective functionality. The interactions between geographic intricacies and political dynamics form the foundation for smooth operations. As oil flows through the 1,100-kilometer line, every segment of the process receives meticulous attention, enabling harmonious transitions at every step. Resources are strategically allocated, adapting to the unique demands posed by different areas throughout the network. The significance of precision in this vast system cannot be overstated, as it plays a critical role in sustaining the prosperity of the various regions involved. Traveling regularly across the vast expanse of the Saudi Arabian desert, maintenance crews diligently inspected and repaired any segments affected by harsh environmental conditions. Their commitment emphasized the importance of maintaining the integrity of the 1,100-kilometer oil line, which stretches across rugged terrain and arid landscapes. As these dedicated teams navigated this sun-soaked environment, they faced challenges from the relentless heat and shifting sands that sought to disrupt their work. Regular inspections proved essential, as they allowed crews to identify segments requiring attention and repair, ensuring each part remained functional. The sound of their footsteps on the dry ground blended with the profound stillness of the desert, a reminder of their purpose. With each visit, the crews offered reassurance that the pipeline would remain operational, safeguarding the significant flow of oil. Their meticulous efforts and unwavering focus ensured the pipeline continued to fulfill its vital purpose, standing strong against the elements and the passage of time. The rhythmic pulse of the oil transition through the pipeline was supported by dedicated pump stations, which were manned around the clock. Each moment, when day gave way to night or dawn broke over the horizon, trained personnel ensured that the flow remained unwavering. The steady hum of machinery filled the air, creating a dependable environment for this vital process. In the stillness of the Saudi Arabian desert, the commitment of these workers underscored the importance of continued operation, allowing oil to travel seamlessly along its lengthy course. As they monitored gauges and adjusted controls, the promise of reliability lingered in the atmosphere, echoing the value of their efforts. The desert's vastness enveloped the pump stations, while the knowledge of their round-the-clock presence brought a sense of calm to the entire operation. These stations were the steadfast guardians of an essential lifeline across the dry expanse. Strong communication systems were set up, forming an essential connection between pump stations and endpoints along the extensive 1,100-kilometer oil line. Each pump station is equipped with advanced technology, enabling the immediate transmission of important information necessary for the smooth day-to-day operations of the pipeline. This thoughtful design empowers operators by providing access to real-time data, allowing for quick responses to any operational needs that arise. As signals flow effortlessly between each station, operators can maintain a clear overview of the entire system's functioning, ensuring efficiency throughout. The reliability of these communication systems significantly enhances safety measures, as any irregularities can be addressed without delay. With this network in place, the seamless operation of the oil line is achieved, contributing to A vast oil pipeline cuts through the warm expanse of the Saudi Arabian desert, spanning 1,100 kilometers as it stretches across the arid landscape. With its initial output, the pipeline supplied oil that was predominantly traded with various European countries, facilitating an exchange of resources between distant lands. This trade played a significant role in connecting markets, highlighting the seamless flow of logistics and demand. As time moved forward, the completion of the pipeline marked a turning point, witnessing a notable rise in trade volumes that filled the air with promise. Each barrel of oil transporting along this long and winding path contributed to the interdependence between suppliers and buyers, influencing agreements that would shape the energy sector. This remarkable conduit of energy persists as a vital artery, illustrating the continuous movement of oil across borders and emphasizing the importance of this trade relationship. In the vast expanse of the Saudi Arabian desert, specialized valves play a crucial role in managing the flow of oil within the Trans-Arabian pipeline. These devices allow for the precise diversion of oil, carefully controlling the output at various sections along the 1,100-kilometer oil line. Each valve is thoughtfully designed to respond to specific needs, offering the ability to reduce flow when required. This capability is essential for ensuring consistent and effective management of resources, preserving the integrity of the pipeline's operation. The gentle mechanics of these valves function silently behind the scenes, upholding balance and efficiency while the pipeline stretches across the arid landscape. As the sun rises and sets over the desert, these vital components contribute to the smooth operation of this critical infrastructure. The presence of these specialized valves ensures that the flow is managed with precision, reflecting the importance of thoughtful design in engineering. In the warm embrace of Sidon, a rigorous scheduling system was thoughtfully instituted to manage tanker load times. This system represents a carefully crafted approach, designed specifically to optimize export efficiency amidst the sandy expanses of the region. As tankers glide into place, each moment is considered and arranged for precision and order. The schedules provide structure, ensuring that every vessel is met with the appropriate timing, streamlining the flow of oil as it transforms into resources for distant lands. Under the watchful sun, the orchestration of these load times enhances not only the procedure of exporting, but also the vibrant energy of the port. This careful attention to detail in scheduling nurtures an environment where every tanker is prepped, loaded, and dispatched with purpose. The beauty of optimized export efficiency illustrates the meticulous balance of timing and movement while contributing to a smoother operational flow. The expansive length of the Trans-Arabian pipeline traverses the arid and vast Saudi Arabian desert, a place where the shimmering sands stretch endlessly under the boundless sky. Awareness of the isolation inherent in such a long stretch led to the implementation of stringent pipeline security measures. Constant monitoring of this extensive infrastructure serves as a dedicated shield against potential risks. Equipped with advanced technology, surveillance systems provide real-time updates, ensuring that any irregularities are swiftly detected in this remote landscape. Alongside monitoring, regular patrols diligently traverse the exposed sections of the pipeline, enhancing security as the sun sets and the temperatures drop across the desert. These patrols, often conducted by vehicles, maintain a vigilant oversight, allowing for immediate responses to any concerns. The relentless commitment to monitoring and patrolling showcases a proactive approach to safeguarding such a vital asset, bringing peace of mind to those who depend on its safe operation. In the vast expanse of the Saudi Arabian desert, automatic shutdown protocols play a crucial role in ensuring safety along the 1,100-kilometer oil line of the Trans-Arabian pipeline. These carefully designed systems are activated instantly when leaks or significant pressure drops are detected, halting the flow of oil with precision. The ability to respond immediately to potential hazards inspires a sense of tranquility, knowing that measures are in place to protect both the environment and the infrastructure. Each protocol is a safeguard, reflecting the importance of maintaining stability within such a substantial network. As the sun casts its warm glow over the endless dunes, the peace of knowing that these protocols can enact an immediate response brings comfort to those aware of the pipeline's operations. Awareness of these well-thought-out safety measures allows for a serene understanding of the balance between energy needs and environmental stewardship. Across the vast expanse of the Saudi Arabian desert, the Trans-Arabian pipeline connects critical oil fields to global markets, ensuring a steady flow of energy. Spanning an impressive 1,100 kilometers, the pipeline utilizes state-of-the-art technology engineered for extreme temperatures and challenging environments. This distinctive pipeline not only transports crude oil, but also reflects a commitment to effectively manage the region's rich natural resources. As it elegantly crosses sandy dunes and rocky landscapes, it traverses arid regions that receive very little rainfall throughout the year. The construction process involved overcoming notable obstacles, including shifting sands and fierce winds. Each segment of the pipeline was meticulously planned to accommodate the unique geological features of the desert. The project demonstrates innovative approaches to logistics, showcasing how fuel can be moved efficiently across one of the most demanding terrains on Earth. Witnessing this extensive network evokes a sense of admiration for engineering prowess and resource management. A remarkable effect of the pipeline lies in its capacity to significantly impact local economies along its route. The substantial infrastructure of the pipeline paved the way for ancillary industries, allowing various businesses to emerge in response to its presence. From construction services to maintenance support, numerous sectors flourished as a direct result of the pipeline's establishment. The towns situated nearby experienced a wave of new opportunities, as the pipeline generated a demand for skilled labor and resources. As local inhabitants engaged with these burgeoning industries, their livelihoods began to transform, creating a ripple effect that enhanced prosperity throughout the region. The economic landscape evolved, revealing new services that catered to the needs of those involved in different sectors, reinforcing a network of interdependence. This thriving environment shaped the daily lives of many, highlighting the profound change brought about by the pipeline. The landscape itself seemed to vibrate with new energy and potential.